Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. Glad to meet you once again through this online class. Let's get back to our maths class. The previous class we have studied about comparison of numbers. In the previous class we have studied about comparison of numbers. What is comparison of numbers? How do we use comparison of numbers? How do we use the symbol less than, greater than and equal to? Why do we use the symbols for greater than, less than or equal to? When we compare two or more numbers to find which is the smallest and which is the greatest, so we have to use the symbol for greater than and less than. Okay, Mama? Okay. Did you understand the comparison of numbers? Did you understand the comparison of numbers? I hope you have understood because you are brilliant. Yes or no, ma? Yes, okay. In this class, we will study about ascending and descending orders. Okay. In this class, we will study about ascending and descending orders. What is ascending order? In ascending order, numbers are written in the order starting from the smallest number to the greatest number. Okay, ascending order means we have to arrange the numbers from small to big numbers. Ascending order means we want to arrange the numbers from small to big. Okay, descending order means we have to arrange the numbers from big to small. Okay, mama, descending order means we have to arrange the numbers from big number to small number. Do you understand? Okay. In ascending order, numbers are written in the order starting from the smallest number to the greatest number. In descending order, the numbers are written in the order starting from the greatest number to the smallest number. It is short form means ascending means small number to big number. Ascending order means small number to big number. Descending order means big number to small number. Okay, Mama? Writing the numbers from the smallest to the greatest, it is called ascending order. Okay, write the numbers from the smallest to the greatest, it is called ascending order. At the same time, writing the numbers from the greatest to the smallest, it is called descending order. It is called descending order. Okay, Mama? Okay. Now we will see some examples for ascending order and descending order. Okay, Mama? In this class we will study about ascending and descending order. Ascending and descending order. The first one is ascending order. This is the heading for ordering of numbers. Okay, Mama? Ordering of numbers. The ordering of numbers, we can order the above numbers in two different ways. Okay, Mama? We can expand or arranging the numbers. We can arrange the given numbers in two different ways. The first one is ascending order and the second one is descending order. First one is ascending order, second one is descending order. The heading for ascending and descending orders. Ascending and descending orders. Okay, Mama? This is for 12th one heading. 12th one heading. ASCENDING, ascending, AND and DESCENDING, descending orders, 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 ascending and descending orders. Okay, what is ascending order? What is ascending order? Ascending order means we want to arrange the numbers from small to big. Descending order means we have to arrange the numbers from big to small. Yes or no, ma? Yes, okay. Ascending and descending orders. The Tamil meaning for ascending order in Eru Varisai. Okay, Tamil meaning for ascending order is Eru Varisai. Eru Varisai means we have to grow to the next one. Okay, small to big. And descending means Irangu Varisai. Ascending means Eru Varisai and descending means Irangu Varisai. Okay, mama. Now we have to arrange the numbers from small to big. Okay, ascending order ASCENDING, ascending, ORDER, order. Ascending order means Eru Varisai. Ascending order means Eru Varisai. We have to arrange the numbers from small to big. We have to arrange the numbers from small to big. Okay, mama. What is ascending order? We have to arrange the numbers from small number to big number. Shall we see some example? Small to big. Shall we see some example, children? Okay. The first one, 86, 94, 26, 54. Okay, answer for ascending order. ASCENDING, ascending, ORDER, order, ascending order. Okay, see the first one. Ascending order means we have to arrange the numbers from small number to big number. Yes or no, ma? We have to arrange the numbers from small to big. Okay, see small number, ascending order. Which one is smallest? 86, 94, 26 and 54. Which is greater? Which is greater? 94 is your greatest number. So you have to write here 94. Okay, then comma. Write the next one, 86, 26 and 54. Which is greater? 86 or 54? 86. You cut and write here 86. Then see the next one, 54 and 26. 54 and 26. Which is greater? Which is greater, ma? 54. So we cut and write here 54. And last remaining only one, 26. This is ascending order. This is for example for ascending order. This is one example for ascending order. Okay, mama? Then the Tamil meaning for ascending order, Eru Varisai. Okay, then see here the second one, 240, 860, 940 and 180. Now we have to arrange the given numbers in ascending order. இப்போ நம்ம என்னமா பண்ண போறோம், கொடுத்திருக்கிற நம்பர்ஸை ascending order, அதாவது ஏறு வரிசையா அரேஞ்ச் பண்ண போறோம். ஓகேவாமா? ascending order means சின்ன நம்பர்ல இருந்து பெரிய நம்பருக்கு அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணனும். ஓகேவா? see here all the numbers are 3 digit number. Yes, All the given digit numbers are 3-digit number. So we have to comparing the numbers. Starts from left. Start from left hand side. Okay. See the first one. 240. 240. How many hundred? 200. Then see the second one. 860. The second one. 860. How many hundred ma? 800. Then the third one. 940. The third one. 940. This 9. How much is in 100 place? 9. So it is 900. Then last one. 180. The last one. 180. Okay, 180. How many hundred is there? 100. The first one 200, 800, 900 and 100. Which is smaller? Which is smaller? 180. Which is smaller ma? 180. So we got to write ascending order. ASCENDING ascending. ORDER order. Ascending order. The smallest one 180. The second one, what is this number ma? 240. 100. What comes after 100? 200. Then you cut and write here 240. Then remaining one, which is smaller? 860 or 940? 860 or 940? 860 is a smallest number. So you cut and write 860. Then see the next one, 940. 940. Okay, Mama? 940. This is ascending order for the given number. Do you understand? Ascending order means we have to arrange the numbers from small to big. Third one, 8,444. Then 6,980. Then 74. 249. Now we have to arrange the numbers from small to big. Okay, ascending order. What is ascending order? ASCENDING ascending. ORDER order. Ascending order. Okay, Mama. Ascending order means you have to arrange the numbers from small to big number. Small number to big number. Now see the first one. It has more different numbers of digits. Yes or no, ma? It has more different numbers of digits. If the given numbers have a different number of digits, then the number having more digit is always greater. Okay, is always greater. If they are given some numbers, the given numbers have a different numbers of digit, then the number having less digit is always smallest. Okay, Mama? This korevana digits vachirukko, that is a small digit number. Okay, so we have to write the small digit number first. Yes or no, ma? See the first one, 8,444. How many digit number? 4 digit number. How many digit number? That is 4 digit number. See the next one, how many digit number? That is also 4 digit number. See the next one, 74. 74 is a 2 digit number. Yes or no, ma? 74 is a 2 digit number. Then see the next one, 249. 249. 249 is smallest digit number or greatest digit number? is comparing for 74 means that is greatest digit number. Yes or no ma? That is 3 digit number. So now we want to write the small digit number to big digit number. Okay. See here 74. 74 is a smallest 2 digit number. Then any 3 digit number is here. Yes, only one 3 digit number is here. So we have to write 249. 249. Then write the next one. 8,000, 6,000. Which is smaller? 8,000 and 6,000. Which is smaller? 6,000. Okay, so we have to write 6,000. 6,980. 6,980. Okay, 6,980. See the last one. This one also finished. Yes, remaining only one 4 digit number you take and write here. This is how many thousand? 8,444. 8,444. Okay, Mama? Then descending order. Okay, shall we see the descending order? Yes. D-E-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G, descending. O-R-D-E-R, order, descending order. What is the meaning for descending order? Irangu varisai. Okay, what is the meaning for descending order? Irangu varisai. Irangu varisai. Okay, descending order means Irangu varisai. We have to arrange the numbers big to small. Okay, big number to small number. Big number to small number. Okay, Mama. Shall we see the first one? 940, 360, 740, 180. Now we have to give a number. Arrange the given numbers in descending order. D-E-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G, descending. O-R-D-E-R, order, descending order. Descending order means we have to arrange the numbers from big to small. Okay, Mama? Which one is the biggest number? 900, 300, 700 and 100. Which is greater? 900. So you cut and write 940. Then see the next one. 300, 700, 100. 300, 700, 100. Which is greater? 700. So you cut and write here 700. Then see the next one, 300 and 100. Which is greater? 300 or 100? 300. So you take and write 360. Remaining one, 180. Remaining only one set is there. Yes. So we have to write the remaining digit number. You take and write 180. Remaining digit number is 180. Then another one example. The second one, 8,000, 5,000, 2,000 and 9,000. Now you want to arrange the numbers from big number to small number. Big to small means that is called descending order. That is called descending order. Descending order means we have to arrange the numbers from big number to small number. Okay. See, this is 4 digit number. 4 digit number starts from 1000. Yes or no, ma? 4 digit number. 4 digit number starts from 1000. First 8,000, 5,000, 2,000 and 9,000. Yes or no? 8,000, 5,000, 2,000 and 9,000. Yes or no, ma? Yes. Okay. Which is greater? Which is greater? 9,000. So you cut and write here 9,000. Then remaining 8,000. Then 8,000. Next 5,000 and 2,000. 5,000 is greater or 2,000 is greater? Which is greater? 5 or 2? 5 is a greater number or 2 is a greater number? 5,000. So you take and write, cut and write here 5,000. Remaining only one is 2000. Remaining only one is 2000. Do you understand, children? Okay, I hope you have understood. Listen carefully. Don't see here and there. Don't play. I will ask the question. Okay, children? The first one. Okay. Ascending and descending order. Ascending and descending order. This is 12th one heading. Okay, ascending and descending order. This one subheading. Sorry. Arrange. 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 THED. Arrange the. GIVEN. Given. NUMBERS. Numbers. Arrange the given numbers in ascending order. Okay. ASCENDING. Ascending. ORDER. Order. Arrange the given numbers in ascending order. Okay, Vama. See the first one. 84, 7,944 and 6,059. Sorry, 659. Now we want to write the answer. Write ascending order. Okay, ASCENDING. Ascending. ORDER. Order. Ascending order. Ascending order means we have to arrange the numbers small to big. Which one is smallest number? 2-digit number is the smallest number. 2-digit number is 84. Then remaining 2 3-digit number is here. Yes, ma? 900 and 600. 900 is smaller or 600 is smaller? 600. So you take and write here 659. The third one 944. The third one 944. The last remaining only one is 7,000. The last remaining only one is 7,000. The second one 5,404. 9,806. 4,309. Then 7,806. Okay, Mama. 5,404. 9,806. Then 4,309. And last one 7,806. Answer. Ascending order. ASCENDING. Ascending. ORDER. Order. Ascending order means we have to arrange the numbers from small to big. Okay, Mama. 5,000, 9,000, 4,000, 7,000. 4,000. So you take and write 4,309. Then 5,000. 5,404. Then remaining 7,806 and another only one 9,806. 9,806. Do you understand? Children, do you understand? Can you hear my voice? Okay. Are you listening or playing there? Okay. I hope you all are listening. Now all of you take your maths class work note. Now all of you take your maths note. All of you take your max note. All of you take your max note. Take book page number 18. First all of you write in your note, okay. Just complete the class work, then I will give homework, okay mama. Now all of you take your max note. Take new page. All of you should write today's day and date. First of all of you should write today's day and date. Ascending and descending order is a heading, okay. Write the heading in the middle of the note. Write the heading in the middle of the note. All of you take new page. First of all of you should write today's day and date. First of all of you should write today's day and date. Write the heading in the middle of the note. Ascending and descending order. Say and write, okay mama. Say and write. Ascending and descending order. ASCENDING, ascending. AND and DESCENDING, descending. ORDERS, orders. Ascending and descending orders. Ascending and descending orders. Ascending order means we have to arrange the numbers from small to big. Yes ma? We have to arrange the numbers from small to big. Descending order means descending order means big number to small number. Okay, today in this class we will study about ascending orders. Arrange the given numbers in ascending order. If you complete the heading means you leave one finger space and write if you complete the heading means leave one finger space and write ma. Write neatly without any one mistake. Write neatly without any one mistake. Write neatly without any one mistake. I will check your note. So be careful. And write neatly. Okay, Mama? If you complete the heading means leave one finger space and write ARRANGE. Arrange. THED. GIVEN, given. NUMBERS numbers in ASCENDING ascending order. Arrange the given numbers in ascending order. The first one 84 comma 7000, 84 comma 7000 comma 944, 944 comma 659, 84 comma 7000 comma 944 comma 659. Next line answer, okay, ANS, answer short form ANS. Then ascending order, ASCENDING, ascending order, ascending order is equal to 84 comma 659 comma 944, 944 comma 7000, 7000. In the second question 5404, the second question 5404, 9806, 9806. Then 4309, 4309. Then 7806, 7806. Answer ascending order, ASCENDING, ascending order, ascending order is equal to 4309, is equal to 4309. See the board and write neatly, ma. Don't see here and there. I am watching you, so be careful. All of you have you written, ma? Already I given more time. Okay, enough. Now all of you take your maths book. All of you take your maths book. Take book page number 18, 18. Take book page number 18, 18. All of you take book page number . All of you take book page number 18. All of you take page number 18. See the first one, ascending and descending order. Okay, take page number 18, the first one. The first one, 23. See the question, A-R-R-A-N-G-E. Arrange. (23) Arrange the given numbers in ascending order. Isma, see the 23 question. 23rd. Okay, sorry. See the 23rd question. Arrange the given numbers in ascending order. You mark it beside homework. Homework and mention today's day and date. Beside you should mention today's day and date. Arrange the given numbers in ascending order. Beside you should mention homework. And write here today's day and date. Okay, Mama? This is today homework. All of you do yourself. (23) Did you mark? Did you mark it, children? Yes or no? Yes, okay. This is today homework. You do yourself. Next one. We will see the next class. Today class is over. This is lesson 1. Book page number 18. Book page number 18. The 23 is homework. The 23rd question is homework. The 23rd question is homework. Okay, Mama. Homework lesson 1, book page number 18. 23 is today homework. All of you do yourself. Next one we will see the next class. Take care. Bye.